Hello and welcome to Rancho Santa Margarita. My name is Sabrina with Designing Women of Orange County, and we are here just getting ready to do a renovation on this condo for this client. I'm very excited to do this for her. So one of the first things we're going to do is remove all of her carpeting and other flooring. So there's some tile, there's some vinyl in the other rooms that we'll be taking up and taking care of for her. And then we're going to put down an SPC flooring actually, which is a harder type of an LVP, if you've heard of the word LVP. This is actually a stone composite, so it's a lot harder and it's a better product. We love that. So let's see here. The other thing we're going to do right here in this living room is we're going to restain this. It's not the right color for the client, but it's nice because it's in good shape, and so we can just repurpose it, restain it, and make it the right color for her. And then the other thing that we'll do is add shelving over here, some wood shelving. We're going to put lights underneath that shelving here. And then we're going to pet the puppy because he's very excited. And so we're also replacing this door. So yeah, so that's pretty much it here in the living room. But in the kitchen, we are going to be taking out the fluorescent lights up here and putting in 4 6-inch cans for her. We all hate that flicker feeling lighting thing, so out it goes. And then here we come into the master bedroom. And this is coming out. This is not structural, so that's great. So this is coming out. She has a closet system coming in here for all of her shoes. This is very, very important. And then this is 120 inches long, but she said, you know what, I really only need 1 sink. I don't need to have the 2 sinks. So we're gonna combine, bring this down because she literally needs all of that closet space because in California, our, space to, organize and keep all of our stuff is very small typically in a lot of these homes, and so we have to really utilize every inch. So we're going to put a 48-inch vanity in here with a single sink, really cool lit mirror here, and a very cool light up above it, a light bar. It's going to be really nice. Yeah, really cool. So, so we'll go ahead and we'll bring that LVP, not LVP, but the SPC flooring all the way in here. This is going to become a walk-in shower unit here. And so we will be taking that large format tile, like 24 by 48 probably size, maybe a 30 by 60. We're going to find out for sure in just a moment, all the way up to the ceiling here. And then of course this, if you look at this, I'm 5'4", but I got boots on today. What? Did they build this for mini hoonies or what? I'm like, this is going to go up about 16 inches. It's one of our shorter shower head areas. It's like I don't get it. But anyway, it's coming out, it's going up, and this tiny Barbie toilet for Barbies is coming out. That is, if you can get an idea of size, here I am. It's sorry, I'm going to sit on the toilet, way down here, and it's very, very tiny. So that's coming out. We're actually putting in a bidet here in her master bathroom. So let's go and take a look at the other rooms. So here we are in the hallway / laundry area. This is a nice little hidden spot for her washer and dryer here, but it only came with, she just purchased this, by the way, I haven't mentioned that. She just purchased this and she's getting all of this done before she moves in. Very, very, very smart. But all this laundry we had was this one cabinet, so we're going to give her a couple of shelves up here to give her some more storage. She'll be using some baskets and different things like that to store different things in. So, and then this is the guest bath. It's really quite a duplicate in a sense of the master, except this is only 60 inches here. We will go ahead and use a 2-sink vanity cabinet here. And as you can tell too, this is short. So we'll raise it up to the standard height that is standard now. And we've got a couple of really cool mirrors and lights coming in here as well. Again, we have the tiny little Barbie toilet that will get replaced. And then because this, is a 2-bath condo, we will be hanging on to a bathtub. This will all come out, but a new bathtub will go in, much deeper, little bit wider than this one is, actually give a little bit more space. And again, the tile will go all the way up to the ceiling. But this will be used like probably a 12 by 24, 15 by 30, or a potentially 15 by 60 if she decides to go that route. So anyway, I'm again raising up the tiny mini hoodie shower head there for her to be able to use. So I'm super excited about this. Stay tuned for the after video, because I think you're really going to like what you see happen here in this home. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're thinking about doing a remodel on your home, just give us a call at Designing Women of Orange County at 949-371-9075. Thanks. Bye.